Welcome back. The time's 9:15. It's time for our Sunday Business Report with Jon Stein, CEO of Betterment.com. Good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Sure. It's certainly been a wild ride for anybody who has money in the stock market. And so we're here to talk about tips for investing in this volatile economy. So let's start out with looking at how people reacted to the changes last week. What have you seen?
So we saw about 6% of our customers change their asset allocation from stocks to bonds. They were moving into safer assets. Some people also took money out, about 1 to 2%. Now, what was interesting was that more men changed these things than women. Women tended to stay the course more, to leave it alone. And as a result, women are probably going to do better in the long term. Many studies show that women make better investors because they mess with their investments less.
Okay. Now, you know, the old advice is typically buy low, sell high, so I would think it may be a good time to get into the market or to buy more. Are you seeing that play out?
It absolutely could be. And one of the things that we do at Betterment is we automatically rebalance our customers. Right now is a good time to rebalance your portfolio. So if you're down in your stocks, now's a good time to shift a little money over from your bonds into your stock portfolio and make sure that your asset allocation is where you want it to be.
Okay. So who in particular should perhaps take advantage of the market while it is tending to be a little bit lower right now?
Well, you know, an interesting thing that we saw is that young people tended to react more strongly to this than older folks. We think that may be because they're just less experienced investors and they're more likely to panic when they see things are down. What we recommend for everyone is to stay the course, and especially for those young people, now's a great time to start investing for the long term.
Okay. And how has technology changed the way that people invest, since you can really see up to the second the value of your portfolio?
Right, so we noticed that our customers check in often on their iPhones and so forth, and so it gives them access to more information. There's more transparency. What we hope, and through building out behavioral features in the site that actually give people real-time feedback, is that people don't react so quickly. So we can actually give people notices to make sure that they stay the course and do the right thing for the long term.
Okay. All right. And finally, what's your best advice to anybody who's really struggling, you know, looking at the losses on paper and they're thinking of making a change?
Save more. Save 10 to 20% of your paycheck every month. Invest as much as you can after you have your savings account set aside for your sort of rainy day, and just set it and forget it. Remember that everything is saved for the long term.
Okay. All right. Well, Jon Stein, thank you so much for your advice. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
And for more now on how the market's been playing out, we're going to go to Lisa.
That's right. With the stock